Hey guys, happy Monday. I hope you all had a very good weekend. Today I'm going to be sharing this page I put together. It's a 9x12 page from my 2018 album. It's from our Disneymoon. Let's get into it. So this page, I had a little bit of trouble with the colors because the castle in the bottom left-hand corner is just such a bright blue, and everything else was not as vibrant. So I had some trouble. I had that purple Kelly Berkey card up in the top middle spot for a second, and then I found this geometric color blocky kind of card. I think it's from Studio Calico, and I thought I could bring the blues in from the bottom left-hand card into the rest of the page using that navy. I think the final product is pretty cute, so I'm happy with how it turned out, but it was a little bit of a struggle there. I cut out a lot of me just rifling through cards. Anyway, so now that I've pretty much decided on my cards, I think I'm just gonna go in with these alphabet stickers from Kelly Berkey. I have a ton of these from when I was on her design team, so I will be hoarding them forever because I love them so much. They're just so simple, so clean, and they came out in so many colors, so I love them. I don't think you can get them anymore because she shut down her shop, but if you still have them, you know how good they are. I thought this brown tan color would work well with this page. Again, to draw from that geometric card on the right side and just tie in the colors from the photos. And as I finish up this airport destination card, you'll be able to see that it's not totally centered. That's totally my bad. I should have put the letters down on something clear like I normally do, but I think I got too lazy. So later on you'll see I'll balance out that card and add just an embellishment in the front of that whole phrase. And then I'm going to use those same stickers on that bottom card there. I don't know if you can read it. It says, my head says nap, and the next line will say, but my heart says Disney, which is, pretty typical on a regular basis. So now I'm just gonna rifle through this really nondescript collection of stickers and chipboard just to look for some embellishments. I have been in the process of reorganizing my space because we moved. So everything is just kind of a mess right now. I've been toying with the idea of popping out all of my chipboard from like those chipboard sheets that you'd get in kits and just organizing them in like an open organization system, maybe in like a drawer or something. But the idea of that kind of stresses me out because, I don't know, that's a lot of free-floating scrapbook supplies. So let me know down in the comments what you guys do, how you organize your chipboard and embellishments, because I am in the middle of a huge organization overhaul. I'm currently just surrounded by boxes and boxes of scrapbook supplies and with like zero direction on how I want to do this. So yeah, let me know. So I left really quick just to do some typewriting on some vellum. I moved my typewriter to another spot so I wouldn't have to carry it over every single time I wanted to use it. So it's just, I think it just says Animal Kingdom, or no, Kidani Village, which is where we stayed. It is the DVC timeshare area of Animal Kingdom Lodge, if anyone has stayed there before. Beautiful resort, just a little further than everything than I would have liked. I've stayed at Animal Kingdom twice so far. And like the hotel itself is great, but the only transportation is buses, and we don't drive when we're in Disney, so not our favorite, but still really nice. So on that geometric abstract card, I'm gonna go ahead and just throw the date on there. I'm just trying to figure out what date these pictures are actually from because it's just been so long. This is like November 2018. I think 11/11, 2018. So that was fun. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use my date stamp, throw the date on, I think that corally colored label from that sticker sheet there. And again, just rifling through stacks of embellishments. I didn't realize I actually still had a lot of enamel dots left, so that was kind of nice. I found these enamel hearts from Amy Tangerine. This is an old line, I think, from like a few years ago. So I'm just going to throw a gray heart on that top card, again, just to balance it out and make it more centered. And here are the detail shots from this page. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Let me know if you have any questions or comments about anything I showed you guys in this video. Comment down below with your scrapbooking storage ideas, please. And please subscribe if you haven't already. I've been uploading twice a week so far. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I will talk to you guys next time.